In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up voice command on Samsung Galaxy A16. Go in settings, scroll down, go in accessibility, go in interaction, tap on voice access, tap on this toggle to enable the voice access, tap on allow. Here you get some basic command like go home, go back, show notification, click OK, open photos. If you go in settings, go in voice access command, go in basic and navigation. Here you get some other commands. I will simply go back. Now let's try the voice command. Go in notification bar, tap on voice access to start listening. Now voice access needs to download a language, so simply tap on download. Now downloading is completed. I will go again in notification bar, tap again on voice access, go back, go home, open Play Store, search Facebook. Okay, go back. Now if you want to pause this, go again in notification bar, tap on voice access to pause. Voice access is paused. So this is how you can set up voice command on Samsung Galaxy A16. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel for more information like this.